Leganto now includes an additional field for school or faculty on the course record for reporting purposes. To start using this new field, first configure the schools or faculties relevant to your institution. Go to Fulfillment Configuration, Courses, School Faculty. Configure the schools or faculties relevant to your institution. You can also export this table, edit it in Excel, and then import it into Alma. Once you've configured the school faculty options for your institution, you will see the new field on the course record, with the option to choose the appropriate data. The school faculty field is not yet available in the course loader, but you can add data in bulk using the Course Bulk Update job under Admin, Run a Job. You will first select the job, then select the set of courses to use, then use the School Faculty dropdown to select the appropriate data. The School Faculty field will be available in Analytics, allowing you to report on reading list data and usage information not only at the academic department level, but also at the level of the school or faculty.